Hi everyone! I hope you had a good Dragon Boat Festival day yesterday. Did you have a good day off? I hope so. So first we're going to go over some English words for the Dragon Boat Festival. Here we have Dragon Boat Festival, so that's the whole day. Next we have Dragon Boat. And so here is our dragon boat. Then the dragon boats race. So we have dragon boat race. And they compete against each other to see who wins. Here we have rice dumplings. Did you eat rice dumplings yesterday? I did. They were very good. All right. Let's get started. Today, we're starting a new book, Lion vs. Rabbit. This book is by Alex Latheimer. Lion vs. Rabbit. So here is Lion. He is very fast, weighs a lot, tall, and mean. Here's Rabbit. He is also fast, does not weigh a lot. He is not mean. He is very smart. There are sneaky rabbits throughout the story. Try and count how many sneaky rabbits there are. The lion was mean to everyone. One afternoon, he gave Buffalo a wedgie. He stuck a silly note on Zebra's back and stole Hyena's lunch money. So here, the note on Zebra's back says, "Kick me." Not very nice. Soon all the animals were tired of his bullying. Lion must stop now, please. But no one was brave enough to make Lion stop. They needed help, so they asked Baboon to write an advertisement. So here, Baboon is writing an advertisement on the web. It says, "Help needed. We need someone to make Lion stop bullying us. Reward of $100, mostly gazelle." So how did the animals deal with their fears? What did they do? Did they run from the lion? Did they ask for help? Did they talk to the lion? What did they do? A bear saw the ad and arrived on the next flight. The bear was strong, but he was no match for the lion. Aw. Then a moose arrived. "I'll make the lion stop." But the lion was too quick for the moose. Oh no. Next came a tiger. Lion won again. Oh no. The bear, the moose, and the tiger all caught the next plane home. It seemed that no one could stop the lion from being so mean. But just as Lion was about to go back to his bullying, one last animal arrived. "You're small," said the Lion. "I'll let you choose the contest." "All right," said the Rabbit. "Let's have a marshmallow eating competition." "Ha!" said the Lion. "That'll be easy." Lion ate 3 buckets of marshmallows before he started to feel sick. But Rabbit ate 10 buckets. "No fair," said the Lion. "I wasn't feeling well." "Very well then," replied Rabbit. "Let's have a quiz." Lion tried his best, but Rabbit won the quiz easily. "No fair," said the Lion. "I wasn't ready." "Okay, let's have a hopping competition," replied Rabbit. Lion started really well, but he only lasted 10 minutes. "No fair," whined Lion. "I wasn't warmed up." "I see," replied Rabbit. "Let's have a painting competition." So that is the end of our story this week. We'll finish next week. So why do you think the rabbit can beat the lion? The rabbit is very small. So what does the rabbit have that the lion does not? Do you think the competitions are easier for Rabbit? Do you think the rabbit is tricking Lion? You can write your answer on your worksheet. So now we will go over vocabulary. Our first word is mean. So remember that the lion was mean to everyone. So here are some examples of people or goats being mean. So the person is pushing the old lady in. That's very mean. Here, the other goat is knocking this goat over. Also, very mean. An example of mean in a sentence: "She's so mean. She pushed me down the stairs." You should say sorry for being mean. Just remember, mean also has a different definition. So you can use this word to ask what else something means. So if you want to know what something is in English, you can ask, "What does blank mean?" So to ask how to use a word, you can ask what it means. But for now, we're talking about this mean. So the lion is mean, not this mean. Our next word is afternoon. So this is near 12 p.m. So it's the middle of the day. An example: my meeting is in the afternoon. She slept so late, she woke up in the afternoon. The next word is stole or steal. So stole is past tense. so it happened before. Steal is present, so it's happening now. So the raccoon stole food from the cats, and the monkeys stole the wheel. It's when you take something without someone's permission. An example, he stole money, so he went to jail. I must call 119. Someone stole my car. So you stole something, you took something that you were not allowed to. Next word is bullying. So this guy in the blue jacket is bullying this other guy. Here, this guy is bullying this guy. So bullying is just when you're being mean to someone else. Example, the mean kids were bullying the new student. Bullying can happen online or in person. Next word is advertisement. So here are two advertisements. This is an advertisement for Coke. This is an advertisement for the BTS meal at McDonald's. So an advertisement is usually a picture or video to sell something. So an advertisement wants you to buy something. So here they want you to buy Coke. They want you to buy the BTS meal. An example, did you see the advertisement for the new BTS meal? I've seen the advertisement for the new iPhone everywhere. Next word is flight. So here is an example of flight. So here's the airplane, and if you're going on an airplane, then you are taking a flight. Example, his flight is at 8 p.m. My flight is so late, so I will arrive at the airport later. Next word is arrived. So here, the car has arrived at the house. So arrived is when you reach the place we're going to. An example, call me when you have arrived at home. My grandma arrived at my house in time for the party. The next word is quick. So here, the lizard is running very quickly. Here, this car is quick. So, quick is another word for fast. An example, I walked so quick, I got there in 10 minutes. Be quick, or we will be late. So if you want someone to hurry up, you can tell them, be quick. Tell them to go fast. Next word, contest. Here's a picture of an eating contest. So they are eating to see who can eat the most. So they're having a contest. Usually contests will have winners. So they have first place, second place, and third place.